ولكننا أنشأنا قرونا فتطاول عليهم العمر وما كنت ثاويا في أهل مدين تتلو عليهم آياتنا ولكننا كنا مرسلين.
Thereafter, we raised up many a generation, and a long time passed. You were then not even present among the people of Midian to rehearse our verses to them. But it is we who are sending news about that.
وما كنت بجانب الطور إذ نادينا ولكن رحمة من ربك لتنذر قوما ما أتاهم من نذير من قبلك لعلهم يتذكرون.
Nor were you on the side of the Mount Sinai when we called out to Moses in the first instance. But it is out of mercy from your Lord that you are being informed of all this, so that you may warn a people to whom no warner came before you. Maybe they will take heed.
ولولا أن تصيبهم مصيبة بما قدمت أيديهم فيقولوا ربنا لولا أرسلت إلينا رسولا فنتبع آياتك ونكون من المؤمنين.
We did so lest a calamity might seize them because of the misdeeds they committed, whereafter they would say, Our Lord, why did you not send a messenger to us that we follow your revelation and become among those who believe?
فلما جاءهم الحق من عندنا قالوا لولا أوتي مثل ما أوتي موسى أولم يكفروا بما أوتي موسى من قبل قالوا سحران تظاهرا وقالوا إنا بكل كافرون.
But when the truth reached them from us, they said, Why was he not given that which was given to Moses? But did they not reject before what had been given to Moses? They said, Both are magic, each supporting the other. And they said, We deny each of these.
قل فأتوا بكتاب من عند الله هو أهدى منهما أتبعه إن كنتم صادقين.
Tell them, O Prophet, then do bring a book from Allah, which is a better guide than either of them, and I will follow it. Do so if you are truthful.
فإن لم يستجيبوا لك فاعلم أنما يتبعون أهواءهم ومن أضل ممن اتبع هواه بغير هدى من الله إن الله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين.
But if they do not hearken to this, know well that they only follow their lusts, and who is in greater error than he who follows his lusts without any guidance from Allah. Allah does not guide those given to wrongdoing.
وَلَقَدْ وَصَّلْنَا لَهُمُ الْقَوْلَ لَعَلَّهُمْ يَتَذَكَّرُونَ.
We have constantly conveyed them the word of admonition that they may take heed.
الذين آتيناهم الكتاب من قبله هم به يؤمنون.
Those on whom we bestowed the book before do believe in this, to wit the Quran.
وإذا يتلى عليهم قالوا آمنا به إنه الحق من ربنا إنا كنا من قبله مسلمين.
When it is recited to them, they say, "We believe in it, for it is the truth from our Lord. Indeed, we were already Muslims."
أولئك يؤتون أجرهم مرتين بما صبروا ويدرؤون بالحسنة السيئة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون.
These will be granted their reward twice over because they remain steadfast. They repel evil with good and spend in alms out of the sustenance we provided them.
وإذا سمعوا اللغو أعرضوا عنه وقالوا لنا أعمالنا ولكم أعمالكم سلام عليكم لا نبتغي الجاهلين.
And when they hear any vain talk, they turn away from it, saying, "We have our deeds, and you have your deeds. Peace be to you. We do not desire to act like the ignorant."
إنك لا تهدي من أحببت ولكن الله يهدي من يشاء وهو أعلم بالمهتدين.
O Prophet, you cannot grant guidance to whom you please. It is Allah who guides those whom He will. He knows best who are amenable to guidance.
وقالوا إن نتبع الهدى معك نتخطف من أرضنا أولم نمكن لهم حرما آمنا يجبى إليه ثمرات كل شيء رزقا من لدنا ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
They say, if we were to follow this guidance with you, we should be snatched away from our land. Have we not established for them a secure sanctuary to which fruits of all kinds are brought as a provision from us? But most of them do not know.
وكم أهلكنا من قرية بطرت معيشتها فتلك مساكنهم لم تسكن من بعدهم إلا قليلا وكنا نحن الوارثين.
And how many a town did we destroy, whose inhabitants exulted on account of their affluence. These are their dwellings, in which very few dwelt after them. Eventually, it is we who inherited them.
وما كان ربك مهلك القرى حتى يبعث في أمها رسولا يتلو عليهم آياتنا وما كنا مهلك القرى إلا وأهلها ظالمون.
Your Lord would not destroy a town until He had sent to its center a messenger who would recite to them our verses. Nor would we destroy any town unless its inhabitants were iniquitous.
وما أوتيتم من شيء فمتاع الحياة الدنيا وزينتها وما عند الله خير وأبقى أفلا تعقلون.
Whatever you've been given is a provision for the life of this world and its glitter, but that which is with Allah is better and more enduring. Do you not use your intellect?
أفمن وعدناه وعدا حسنا فهو لاقيه كمن متعناه متاع الحياة الدنيا ثم هو القيامة من المحضرين.
Now he to whom we have promised a good which he is going to obtain, can he be like him whom we have given the good things of this life, but who will be brought up for punishment on the day of judgment?
ويوم يناديهم فيقول أين شركائي الذين كنتم تزعمون.
Let them not forget that the day when Allah will call unto them and say, where are those whom you imagine to be my associates?
قال الذين حق عليهم القول ربنا هؤلاء الذين أغويناهم كما غوينا تبرأنا إليك ما كانوا إيانا يعبدون.
Those against whom the word will be realized will say, Our Lord, these are the ones whom we led astray just as we ourselves strayed. We absolve ourselves before you of all blame. It was not us that they worshipped.
وقيل ادعوا شركاءكم فدعوهم فلم يستجيبوا لهم ورأوا العذاب لو أنهم كانوا يهتدون.
They will then be told, Call upon those for help whom you declared to be our associates. They will then call upon them, but they will not answer them. They will have observed the chastisement in front of them. Would that they were guided.
ويوم يناديهم فيقول ماذا أجبتم المرسلين.
Let them not disregard that the day when Allah will call out to them saying, What was the answer you gave to the messengers?
فعميت عليهم الأنباء يومئذ فهم لا يتساءلون.
Then they will not be able to think of any reply, nor will they be able to ask one another.